Welcome to My Easy Statistics. In this session, we will be discussing about Cronbach alpha reliability test, which is also called as internal consistency reliability test. We will see this reliability test using SPSS software. I am taking an example how to conduct this Cronbach alpha reliability test and conditions under which we conduct this reliability test. The example what I'm using is eco-friendly products. A researcher want to know what is the intention of the user towards eco-friendly products. So to know the intention, he has asked six questions to know the intention of eco-friendly product, and to know the attitude of a respondent towards eco-friendly product he has asked four questions. In this case, intention is called as a latent variable, which is unobserved variable, and the six questions which is asking to know the intention are called observed variables. Directly we are asking the respondent as question 1 to 6, what is their response in terms of strongly disagree to strongly agree. By knowing these six questions, the researcher will know what is the intention. So intention is unobserved variable, it's a latent variable, and the remaining six are observed variables. In the same way, attitude is an unobserved variable where the researcher is asking the respondents their response in terms of four questions, that is from strongly disagree to strongly agree. So Cronbach alpha measures how well a set of variables or items measure a single one dimensional latitude aspect of individuals. So it measures how intention, how these six questions are correlated, and all these six questions should be in only one scale. See, I have a Likert scale of 5 scale point. So the six questions should be in Likert scale only. I cannot use a variable which is a dichotomous or any other scale, should not be mixed, because my purpose is to know what is the intention of a respondent, and I'm asking six questions, and these six questions should have the same scale, Likert scale only I must use, because I have used for one question Likert scale. All other variables should be Likert scale only. I cannot use a dichotomous scale, or I cannot use any other scale for this purpose. So this is an important condition which we are going to keep in mind when we do Cronbach alpha. And we must do reliability separately. For intention, unobserved variable, that is latent variable, I need to do separately. For attitude also I need to do separately. Okay, let us go to the SPSS software. We have collected data for all 10 questions. So question number 1 till 6 is observed variable, which I want to see about the reliability towards unobserved variable, latent variable. I am showing the procedure. These are very simple steps and we can do easily. The procedure I start is, we go with analysis. In analysis, we go for scale and we go for reliability analysis. In reliability analysis, what are the variables which you want to consider for reliability? I am selecting and I am using alpha. The model which I am using is alpha. Simply I can say OK. Right. Here for the 6 variables, number of items 6, I got Cronbach alpha is 0.861. Now whether reliability is good or not, how we know is the reliability ranges from minus to plus 1, minus infinity to plus 1. But we need to consider only those values between 0 to 1. And if this reliability, Cronbach alpha reliability, is more than 7, generally is considered good reliability. Means all the 6 questions are having high correlation and are having correct what you call the reliability towards that unobserved variable. So 0.861. Here the question comes for me whether all 6 are showing high correlation or should I delete any variable. To do this one, we need to do the same procedure once again. Should I delete any variable out of the 6? I go for scale reliability analysis. In statistics, in descriptive for, I'm going to check mark a scale if item deleted will be happening and say continue. Okay. Now earlier case also we got Cronbach alpha 0.861 and here we get the actual content. Question 1 to 6 is given here. If I delete question number 1, my Cronbach alpha will be 0.54, so it is not better. If I delete question number 2, it is still reducing from the 1 actual given, and 3 also 0.845. So if I delete any one question also, my reliability is not getting improved. So all 6 variables need to be considered for measuring the intention, right? And now let me do the second variable, that is attitude. For measuring attitude, I want to know the reliability of question 7, 8, 9 and 10. I'm doing the same procedure once again. Analysis, scale, reliability. I'm selecting question 7 to 10. Right. I want to know if item is deleted, what will be the reliability. Continue and say OK. Now in this case, the Cronbach alpha reliability is 0.689. We want to know the attitude of respondents towards eco-friendly product. To know the attitude, I have asked 4 questions. That is question number 7, 8, 9, 10 I have asked and I want to know how they are having the reliability, internal consistency between the variables. So the 4 combinedly internal consistency is 0.689 and I want to check if I delete any variable, what will be the Cronbach alpha. So if I delete question number 7, the reliability is increasing. So now it is 0.753. Earlier it is 0.68. So if I delete question number 7, my reliability, internal consistency between the variables will be increased. But if I delete any other 3, the reliability is coming down. So in this case, it's better for me if I delete question number 7 so that the internal consistency reliability between the variables will increase. Let me do it once again. Analysis, scale, reliability. I have removed question number 7. I am doing the same once again. Now see. My Cronbach alpha internal consistency has become 0.753 with 3 questions, that is question number 8, 9 and 10. So the reliability Cronbach alpha has improved by deleting question number 7. So this is a very simple step, knowing the internal consistency between the variables. I'll just summarize once before I complete it. Cronbach alpha is used for internal consistency reliability of an unobserved variable like intention or attitude. And the variables which I'm using here should be observed variables having same scale. Then only we can use this Cronbach alpha. Cronbach alpha whose value is more than 0.7 is considered good. Less than that, the internal consistency between the variables are not having. I think this is informative. Thank you.